guys, what's up? This is Amit again, and today we want to work on ban and kick commands. This is a great start for our moderation system. So without lots of talking, I just want to start. So sorry for my phone again, it does a lot of problems. Okay, so I already made the file, so we can start straight away on working. So basically, and in kick and ban, we always want to check permissions for the bot and for the author. Okay, so our bot won't crash. Okay, so let's do if. Let's get the member object message.guild.member. So I'm getting the member object from the author. Okay, so message.author. So in this object I can see if he has a specific permission. If he doesn't has a kick members, we can find all the flags. So let's do Discord permissions. Where Discord permission list. Okay, here we can see all the permissions, and I already see. Okay, kick members. So if the member doesn't have kick members, we want to return with the next message. I just got a Fiverr. Someone wants to buy. Message.reply. You don't have permissions. Very basic. Permissions. Bruh. Now let's check if the actual our bot has permissions for this. So oh my god, what was this? Let me get client.user. We want to get the user object. Let's change it to I don't have permissions. Okay, so let's start. Let's define user. I will just do copy paste, I'm so lazy. Okay, so we have our target. We can call this to kick. I will just call it user. You can call it to kick to be more organized. So we want to kick the user and get a reason, so we can log this to our mod log. Okay, so let's do basic thing. Let's start by define reason. Let reason equals args.slice1. Okay, dot join. So we the bot will ignore the mention part and will leave us with the actual reason. Okay, let's add a semicolon. Let's define modlog. Modlog is this room, for example. As you can see, the bot kicks and logs. So let's clear this. Okay, great. Let's go to Ars tutorial. Good. So equals client.channels. If you don't know, channels is basically a collection. So we can use a very good function inside JavaScript called find inside an array. So let's find by name and do modlog. Great. So now we have our main parts defined. So let's start. If the client doesn't find the modlog, we will return with the message message.reply. I've detected that this server doesn't, I'm pretty sure isn't as a modlog channel, right? A modlog text Okay, so now let's move to check if we actually mentioned someone. Okay, so if message.mentions.users.size. Okay, if I would type user, it won't be valid, so we need the size. So if the size is if 1 is greater than the size, so we will return message dot reply. You must mention someone. Okay, good. So now we are detecting if we actually mentioned someone. So now let's detect if reason was supplied. So if reason, again, return message dot reply. If you wasn't in the next episode, so return. I already said it in the previous episode. Return means stop the process, don't keep go on the code. So if modlock doesn't exist, so we will return, it will stop. Okay, this will be the last thing you will do. Okay, so return reply, you must supply a reason. Okay, so now let's handle this big promise. So if let's get the object from the member user. Okay, key cable. If the user isn't key cable, we will return message.reply. I can kick someone that has higher role than me. Okay, so but can't kick him, we will handle this big promise. So now let's use our embed constructor, right? We learned how to use it in the previous episode. So let's do const embed equals new discord.reach embed. I already defined Discord right here. Okay, so let's set author to I kicked user.username, and let's get the actual user avatar. Okay, and let's set the field kick information. So inside our kick information, we will basically type user reason, and we will send everything to the modlog. Okay, so let's do kicked user. Let's go ahead and get our user.tag. So we will get the username and the discriminator, which the numbers after the hashtag. Okay, and let's drop a line and do moderator is the author who gave him a bunch. So let's get the author object. So let's get the tag and let's get the reason. Very simple, guys. Where is the reason? So let's get the reason variable. Okay, great. Let's add a semicolon. Let's do modlog.send because we have this object, this channel object. So modlog.send embed. Okay, let's keep. I will do kick. Okay, I just wanna be more organized. Kick embed. Okay, so now let's actually kick because we need the kick function. So message.guild.member. Let's get again the user object. Kick. Let's call a kick function on him. So basically, this command is our first command inside our moderation log, and we have an error. We didn't close the function, right? Yes. My bad, this happening. Okay, loading for command as we expected. Let's start by typing kick bra args.slice args.slice. Let's slice it by 2, and let's say message.content.split. Okay, everything's good. Let's kick. We're having an error. Message.reply is not a function. Something is. Oh, I think I know. No. Let's see. No, what's going on? Message.reply. Did I type it? Oh, reply. I'm dumb. Reply. What's going on with me today? Okay, kick. Please, just mention someone. Let's kick Mr. Noob. You must supply us a reason. Oh, I like reason. Okay, Mr. Noob just left the server. And we can see I kicked Mr. Noob. Kick information, kicked user, the moderator. Okay, this was an introduction for our this was the basic command to start a moderation log, a moderation system. Sorry, let's start doing ban. So ban, I will just copy paste. I'm lazy. I will just copy paste ban.js. It's okay to copy paste, guys. Don't worry. Let's change it to our file name. Let's call this ban embed. Let's call this ban embed. Okay, let's check if I don't know how to pronounce, how to write banable, but let's look for it. Cause dogs banable, like this. Let's check if the user is actually banable. So ban. I don't know what to type. Let's see. Banable. I can't ban someone. Great. Okay, let's see. Ban. Guild ban. Okay, so we have the user. Oh, let's ban user. Like, okay, snowflake. So let's ban user 7 user. I think that's correct. I'm not sure. Ban members. We will just test it. Why not? Okay. Let's get Mr. Noob. Let's get him back. Give me this. Okay, we are in. Let's do purge. I will show you how to make purge in the next episodes. We will focus today on the moderation system. So let's test ban. Ban, you must mention someone. Mr. Noob, you're getting banned. because I can. This is a great reason. Oh, just got banned from Mr. Yeah, we still have a bug with this. As you can see, I didn't change the actual embed because I'm stupid and I like to do copy pasting. So ban, I banned. Okay guys, so today we've learned how we can make a basic how does it call, moderation system with ban and kick. Ban and kick are very useful. So I hope you guys learned something new. I will see you in the next episode. Next episode will be about mutes and warns and maybe soft bans. Yes. So see ya guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Bye bye.